Hey guys, here is my journey how I learned basic of C programming in just 2 days from scratch. If you want to know what material did I use and problem that I have faced during my C program learning journey, then please watch this video till the end. At first, since I am newbie in this coding stuff, so I seek for some materials such as tutorials, compiler references, etc. So I tried to install Eclipse compiler, but I found it really hard to use. Honestly, I even couldn't open and set it up properly. So later on I switched to DevC compiler, which I found a bit easier than Eclipse. Now finally I could watch some tutorials and start some coding. Oh yeah, obviously. My first code was to print hello world. And as everyone, I also didn't know the purpose of some statement in the code. However, I just copied it from the tutorial as I had just blindly followed the tutorial. As it is, and I want to mention you guys one more thing, that I had taken some notes from the tutorial and materials that I had collected for my learning journey. Oh shit, I forgot to mention you about my materials that I have used for the program learning journey. I had downloaded some YouTube videos and I had also installed some application on my phone such as Sololon, Programming Hub and some other apps for code example and references as well. However, even I had bought Programming Hub Pro subscription, but I love the Sololon even it is free because not of only its great tutorial but also of its great learner community members who are always ready to solve your doubts on any topic in your learning, and they help me a lot as well. Since I don't have any extra camera except my phone, so I was unable to record these moments, but allow me to show you guys some of my successful codes. However, there are many codes with mistakes and which can't even be compiled and run. As you can see, the list is here. And I also forgot to take records, so the codes are not in chronological order. I hope you can understand. So once I had tried to make a clock, as you can see here, at first we have to set the time, then it runs. However, I have even searched on Google for some help for this code. This is the result after many wrong codes, so you can watch. And once I had also tried to make some pattern forming codes. These all pattern forming codes took input as a number from the users, then form that number of rows for this pattern. However, I felt it easy for these codes and write it without any help. While I was looking at my code after I had learned for writing the script of this video, I found my code works, but it was a bit difficult to understand what that code does until I run it. Then I understand the importance of comment in the program. I also tried some simple code using array and another one to get input and so output using different methods as well. Once I had created a simple code to get two numbers as input from user, then add them up and show the result as an output. Next time I created another code to show different outputs varying from the input given by the user, such as hello for 1, hi for 2 and CAS for 3. I again made another code to get input from user, then print the same output using another new method. I had also learned about loops, operators and a bit about functions, arrays and many more, and created at least one program using them. However, later on I felt it really hard to create new project every time and save it. So I started to just edit the program, previously saved program and clear it and then write new code on it. So I lost some of my codes. However, these are only few successful codes. There are many codes with mistakes which I don't want you to get afraid of. But you can see its list is here. I simply want to say you that no one is perfect and only failure is key to the success, and only a man who tries something new fails, and if you are failing then you are being ready to learn new thing. And a quick message, I had also debugged some of my codes after writing the script of this video as well. One last thing more, I haven't yet learned the C programming completely, but I had just learned its basic. However, I will cover rest of my journey in next video, which I will post on the Wednesday of this week. So please subscribe to our channel to get new content like this, and please like, share and comment on this video. So I'm Kas and see you soon in next one.